Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Dried chili oil really couldn't be simpler. Crumble up a mixture of dried chilies, see below, flaked, ground or homemade, then heat them in a dry pan for 1 minute. Cover with cheap olive oil and put back into a bottle. Whenever you remember, just give the bottle a shake to ensure maximum flavor infusion.
Let's help you make your mark.
The oil creates an anaerobic environment where botulism can occur. Heating and holding the oil and chilies to kill any bacteria, sterilizing your container, and using dried flavoring agents will minimize any potential risks.
Take our lead.
Ingredients: 1 cup tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, or more to taste, 2 tablespoons distilled white vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon ground allspice, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder.
Let's help you make your mark.
You can use most types of vegetable oil, though a neutral oil is ideal for highlighting the chili pepper flavor. Canola oil is popular for making chili oil, as is peanut oil. You can infuse any oil, however, with chilies, such as olive oil or even sesame oil.
Let's help you make your mark.
6 quick ways to tone down a dish that's too spicy. Add more ingredients to dilute the spiciness. The easiest way to tone down a dish that's too spicy is to add more ingredients to lessen the proportion of the spicy element. Add dairy. Add acid. Add a sweetener. Add nut butter. Serve with bland, starchy foods.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Cayenne chili. If you're going for a sweet dish, use a sweet pepper like bell or poblano. However, the closest thing I can find to the looks of Oliver's red chilies is the cayenne chili. They come in green and red varieties. They're long, thin, and have the distinctive green cap where the stem meets the fruit.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Hot sauces that every spicy food lover needs to try. 018 popular chili and pepper sauce in India. 028 Hoi Fong Sriracha hot chili sauce. 038 Boo Jalakia chili sauce, extra hot. 048 Tabasco red pepper original sauce. 058 Dabur Capsico red pepper sauce. 068 Nando's extra hot peri peri sauce. 078 Viva Sriracha sauce. 088 Real Thai Sriracha extra hot chili sauce.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.